Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations, back with another video, and today I'm going to do some little tiles. These are 6x6 tiles. I taped the backs and I just have my spinner here. I'm not going to be spinning, but it's just kind of nice to put it on here. I might spin it a little easy. But these tiles are for the boxes that I do. And I'll show you. Here's a completed one. Came out really nice. These boxes are really nice. This is like a black lacquer. You open it up, it's like padded inside and really soft velvety white. And these are a nice size. They're the bigger ones, 6x6. I also have this one. This one came out really nice. This is another box, 6x6, but it's way taller. And again, it has a black velvet inside. So these are really nice. And this is like a cherry wood. All right, so I'm doing some more tiles for my boxes. And I bought some new colors. I got a chance to go to a Blick store, and I was so excited because I've never, the closest Blick to me is like an hour and a half away. So I got to go to a Blick, and normally I just order online. But anyway, I got some Blick acrylic, and this is a fluorescent violet. I have that I'm going to be using. And in that violet, I put a little of the primary elements, the Vavoom red pigment. All right, so I have that mixed in my cup with my Floetrol and water. All right, so see how that one comes out. I also got the Blick acrylic ultramarine blue, big one. So I already had that, but I mixed this with some of the, what did I put in here? Oh, this one, the primary elements dragon fire. So I put a little bit of that one in there. All right. And then I have some new paints, because again, they had all this 30% off of everything, and they're golden paints, and you know how expensive, if you use these paints, how expensive these are. And everything was 30% off. So I got a little iridescent pearl, which I mixed in with my gold, with this, the teal, golden teal, and I got this as well. So I put a little bit of the iridescent pearl into that. And that you had to mix really well, because the iridescent pearl is a little clumpy. So it takes a lot of mixing. And then I have my Prussian blue by Golden. And this I just left by itself. And then I have my, this is iridescent copper. See how that comes out? And then I also have a, this is, alizarin crimson by Grumbacher. And I mixed, I think I put something in here. What did I put in here? Maybe I didn't. Oh no, I put a little bit more of the Vavoom red in there. So, okay. So, I have all my paints mixed, and I'm going to get started. I'm going to put a little bit of white down on my tile, and I think I'm going to do a modified bloom. My paints are not mixed with the bloom pouring medium, but I'm going to put the cell activator on it just to see what happens, because I've been kind of experimenting and not using all the pouring medium for the blooms, just using my normal pouring medium plus the cell activator. Honestly, you can do the same thing with a little silicone in your white, but I don't want to use the silicone, so I'm going to try it this way first, see what happens. I might do some swipes, I might do some little blooms, we'll see what happens. So I'll be right back. All right, so I have my tile down. I am going to use the house paint for this. So I put a little puddle of my house paint down and just going to start adding the color. A little of the Prussian blue. And then I'm going to go with the teal. And then a little of the aqua or the ultramarine. And put in a little of the copper. I'm just going to go like that with the copper. All right, and then the cell activator. Okay, and I'm going to use my hair dryer just to blow it. All right, and let it sit for a minute. Pretty colors. Just because I have a lot of pretty stuff going on here, I'm going to add it to the sides. All right. Okay. Spin it a little bit. That's good. All right, now I'm gonna try to pick it up. There we go. And I want to move it around a little bit. So I'm just slowly stretching out some of the cells. Alright, I don't know what's going on right there. Okay, that's pretty. Okay, happy with that one. There you go. It's better. All right, had to put this one aside. All right, 1 second. All right, I'll be right back with another one. I just have to put this aside. Okay, So this one I'm going to use some different colors, and I'm going to do more like a Dutch pour, I think. So I'm going to spread out my white just a little bit, which I should have done before I put it down. That's all right. All right, that's good. Good. Oh. Now this is a little thicker, so I don't know how this is going to come out. So let's see what happens. All right. So I'm going to use the Lizarin Crimson, and I'm going to, you know what? I'm going to do like a swipe. Lizarin Crimson. Let's use some of this purple, because it's so pretty. I don't know what these colors are going to look like together, but that's okay. And then some of that one. And I'm going to use some of my, ooh, oh gosh, what the heck. Forgot to shake it. Some of my 24 karat gold in this one. All right, and let's do the swipe. I'm going to use, what do I have? I wasn't prepared for this. Oh, here. Okay, I can use this. And I'm just going to put some of the white. I just have a piece of paper. I'll put some of the white on my paper with the cell activator. And I'm going to try to swipe it. Ooh. And I'm going to do it one more time. Make this smaller. Yeah, perfect. All right. So now I'm going to pick this up, if I can get it up. Oh my gosh. All right. And I'm going to move it around. Pretty colors. Really pretty. Wow. So this is pretty, different colors. This part in here I'm not too sure about. Might want to swipe a little bit more in there, but I'm afraid. But this is really pretty. It's rainbow color. I do really good. Oh, yeah. Try to get this part off if I can. Don't know if I'm going to be able to. I might have to swipe some more. I don't know, it's kind of neat. Well, I will leave it for a little bit. Can always redo it if I don't like it. So let me put this one down. All right, so that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you aren't subscribed here, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up and like and follow me and all that good stuff. So have a great day and stay well. Bye-bye.